Welcome to the London Outlook for Monday, the 5th of February 2024. Starting off with the economic calendar, as we can see, there were two red folder news events. One was a 60-minute interview with Jerome Powell at 2 a.m. my time, so that's a bit insignificant now, as whatever he said is likely priced into the market. Then, from a New York session perspective, we got PMI, but that's quite late in the day, and we'll chat about it as we go through the New York outlook. Moving on to the 4-hour chart, in terms of market structure, whatever was at play last week remains at play. We're still in that uncertain scenario. However, what we can see is last week we had NFP, and it brought us pretty much to the border of the break of structure area. Once we do indeed break the structure with the body break, we can confirm that the 4-hour bearish market trend is at play, and we'll essentially be out of this uncertain scenario. In terms of the direction to trade for today, there is only one direction to trade, being shorts, based on this primary leg, so I'll go through that now. In the current day, what we can see is since the Asia or pre-Asia high of today, we've actually extended this primary leg that has been built as a result of this interaction right here. However, given that we are still in an uncertain scenario, we require new 4H backing. Like I said, this 4H reaction to this broken unconfirmed OB resulted in this target being achieved, and then obviously while we couldn't trade directly from this area right here, as there was no primary OB to give new support to backing, the idea of targeting this substructure low that wasn't entirely validated. However, since that has been taken out with a body break, we can validate this primary OB and then this primary WIM based on the unconfirmed protein unconfirmed scenario. So, having said all of that, the action plan for today, or I'll be looking to trade from for today, would be from this 4H1 or the 4H protein unconfirmed primary OB at the top. However, as you can see, price has a long way to go before it actually reaches these areas, and it's possible that price may actually wick this level. However, once it does indeed wick this level, we've essentially achieved a significant target for the day, and shorts are invalidated until we have further backing. Remember, we're still in an unconfirmed scenario, and thus we require 4H backing for any idea, in addition to IRL being available to target towards the downside. And as you can see, everything to the left has been taken out, which then means that we need to wait patiently as price comes back to these levels, builds the IRL we require, we get the 4H backing, and then have a low to target, ideally being the substructure low right here, and this ERL target being the next obvious point. However, from what it looks like we're actually first going to break this 4H market structure point and then actually validate the bearish market trend, in which case we'll be out of this uncertain scenario, and our trading will become a lot more fluid because we'll have confirmed bearish market trend. So essentially, to summarize, my plan of action for today is either we pull back to one of two 4H OBs, or the other option is the market takes out this point, in which case we've achieved a significant target. I wouldn't consider shorts anymore, and since there isn't really any reason to consider longs, even from an ERL continuation reversal standpoint, because we don't have consecutive three consecutive bearish close days already, that essentially means I'll be done trading for the day, and I'll essentially wait for tomorrow. Other than that, have a good London session, and we'll chat again for the New York session.